Yes, sir. So, sir, this is my server machine and this is
Okay.
my client. And on this server machine, actually, before it worked, but yesterday night I thought of uninstalling everything and trying it once again. And after that,
Okay.
it's not working. So, the DSCP role I have installed on this server, and even I created the scope as well.
Show me the scope.
So, this is the scope. And
No, wait. Wrong thing you have done. Click
yes,
on
sir.
address pool.
Yes, sir.
See what you have given 192.168.3.10.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So first scope, always remember
yes,
what
sir.
is your system IP address. The network should be same on a first scope.
Okay.
Means show me the system IP address.
My main machine.
Yes, your your server machine.
Server machine. Okay. 1.1 something I have given.
Yes,
Okay.
that's error. I got it. See 192.1 okay means you can't you can change dot one last only. Correct, because you are changing a network. Get my word? You are changing a network basically. So what you can do, you can read this scope. Yes. Okay, go to client side first. Okay, client side.
Okay.
Set a something static IP.
There I have already set.
Show me.
1.2 I have given.
Okay, 1.2. Correct. Now
And both
are in a LAN
both are
segment.
on the same. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now create a scope.
Yeah, so okay, this is the LAN segment I created, LAN segment 3.
LAN segment 3. Okay.
And there also it is connected with the same LAN segment.
Okay, show me. I will check. Okay, LAN segment 3. Perfect. Okay. Now create a scope there. Give 1.10 to 1.254. Right? So 192.168 1.10 to 1.254. Click on next. Yes. Yes. Next one is only. Yeah. Now go to client side. Make it automatic.
Once.
Yes, restart. Okay. Now go to client. So now it will take. Because first scope will be all no NCP.
Sorry.
First scope should be same as
Okay.
server IP address. Means network should be same. Correct. The network was going on a server of 192.168.1, right? And scope you have given .3. So network are going to different.
Network was different, yes, sir.
That's why.
Okay.
Now check IP address. Right? Correct IP?
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is a concept. First scope, network should be always same. Once first scope is full, then next scope, you can give any other network.
Okay, later on I can give 2 point something.
Yes, 2 point something, but this scope should be full.
Okay.
Means
all 100 machines
you have given, yes, 1.10, na? 10.254 means approx how many PC? 244 PC, right?
Yes, sir, 244.
Once 244 PC will get IP. Okay, and when the 255 and 256 number of PC want IP address, on that condition, you can create a scope for 2.0.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm also facing issues in IC mail configuration.
Where is the issue?
Sir, mail configuration, automatic configuration नहीं हो पा रहा.
Okay, show me the error.
Wait.
Okay, so today we will discuss about mail troubleshooting. Correct. Yesterday we did about internet troubleshooting and black screen and system hanging. Right. And today we will go for
Yes, sir.
mail troubleshooting, and we will start our new topic, which will be Office 365.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mail is present now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, you have shared a wrong screen. Yes. You can
Yes,
click
sir.
on share screen, then click on screen. Click on share screen,
Yes,
then
sir.
click on basic, then click on screen. And your whole
Okay.
screen will share.
Okay.
Now only control panel page has been shared with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, click on share screen, then you will see the option of screen. Click on basic. Basic. Okay, once you are in a basic, in a downside, you will get option screen. Then click on screen. Then whole your screen will share.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it's perfect. So no, show profile, show profile. Yes. Okay. Delete this one, delete this one. Remove. Yes. Add again. Give the profile name. Click OK. Give your mail address. Now, guys, one thing, okay, I told you for a demonstration purpose, only for a running purpose, we are using Gmail ID. It's not a right concept. ये सही चीज नहीं है Gmail ID को Outlook में use करना. But the
Yes.
reason is correct. We don't have a customized, means you don't have a customized mail. That's why.
यस सर. सर 2 फैक्टर भी ऑफ करना पड़ता है.
हाँ हाँ, वो भी ऑफ करना होता है. मैं बताऊंगा ना, अभी देखता हूँ क्या एरर है इनके पास, है ना. फिर एरर चेक करते हैं क्या है. नेक्स्ट करो.
Sir, this is.
Okay, got it. Cut it. Cut everything. Go to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail account.
Sir.
No. Not in Gmail, not in Gmail. Just wait. Go back. Back job.
Yes, sir.
Go back. Okay. Otherwise, click on here. यहाँ click करो. What are you doing? Yes.
So
Go
where I
back.
click?
Go back. Cut everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open Google Chrome. Click on your photo. You are seeing your picture. This one picture here. Click there.
Yes, sir.
Click on manage your Google account. Okay. Now go to security. Go down. नीचे आओ आप. Okay. Go down. Okay. Wait. Go up. Something up. More. Okay. Wait.
Yes, sir,
In
this
a less secure app, you are seeing off.
Yes, sir.
Click there.
Yes, sir.
Click there, no? Okay, click on yes. Enable this, enable this.
Yes, sir.
Now refresh the page. You don't know how to refresh.
No, sir.
Yeah, how are you using your laptop? This one now. Okay. Now cut. Now cut everything and go on mail option again. Okay. So profile in automatic, remove, create again. Give anything name or give them only auto. Click OK. Okay. Give your name and fulfill everything. Now it will take.
Again, show.
Hmm.
And there any of this kind error. Exchange, POP, Office 365.
Okay. Go to POP. Click next. Okay. Click on more setting. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Give the account type pop. Account type pop. It's
On
not
type
taking.
pop.
Pop is not taking. I'm a page. Okay. Go to more setting. No. It's correct. Go to more setting. Go to outgoing server. Outgoing server. Yeah, over. Yeah. Click on my outgoing server SMTP. Click on advanced. Okay. In a none, click on SSL.
In a none, click on SSL.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now in a here, click TLS. Start TLS. Start TLS. Okay. Give the port number 587. SMTP port number 5. SMTP, sir. Yeah, I. Okay. 587.
Sir,
587. Click on OK. Click on next. You are seeing in a United Kingdom.
Yes, sir.
Click there. Make it India. Search India. Search India. India is not present.
No, sir.
Don't
No,
know
sir.
which you are using which browser, Google Chrome. Go to
I
United
think
Kingdom.
it
There is no any option to do anything.
No,
Click
sir.
on run. Click on run more. You are seeing the run more. This
Yes, sir.
browser may click there. Go down. Go down. Okay, I got it. Cut everything and uninstall Google Chrome application, and you can install it later. Correct. Cut
Okay,
everything. Cut everything. Cut everything. Stop. Click on stop. Click on close. Cut these all things. You can install your Google Chrome application
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
by going through program and features, and then you can install Google. Okay, download Google Chrome again and install again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then the problem will resolve.
Yes.
Because it's a problem of a browser. Your browser is not supporting
Okay, sir.
because we are using a Gmail ID in Outlook, right, which is not valid. Correct. That's why it's happening.
Okay.
So I see. For today, we have a first of all Outlook mail troubleshooting. Correct. So we have a topic. Outlook mail
Sir,
troubleshooting.
ये मेरे आउटलुक
What?
सर हेलो
Yes.
सर मेरे आउटलुक में आई थिंक कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है. एंटर योर यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड अगेन पॉपअप हो रहा है.
So I told you, na, you turn on that one. Less secure app should be on in a Google setting.
ओके
Just now we did with a yes, na.
यस सर.
The same thing. Okay, two-step verification should be off, and less secure app should be on.
ओके सर.
Then the problem will not come. Guys, see. Okay. How do you troubleshoot Outlook mail? Okay, Outlook mail troubleshooting. So as all of you know, why we are using Outlook? For sending and receiving purpose, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to solve Outlook issue, sending and receiving error troubleshooting. Okay. Reason we all know. Reason we all know sending and receiving is error, is a reason. Correct. Sending and receiving is a issue. Sending and receiving is right. Only see the troubleshooting steps. Okay, and I will show you the steps as well. Okay. And sending and receiving issue. Correct. This is a question. So if there is a sending and receiving issue, how to troubleshoot? Solution. What is the solution for it? So for solution number one, first of all, you can check your internet connectivity, because for sending and for receiving, internet is required, right? So check your internet connectivity. Maybe you don't have a good internet connectivity. That's why you are not able to receive a mail. इसलिए आप mail receive नहीं कर पा रहे हो. You are not able to send a mail. इसलिए आप mail send नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So you can check your internet connectivity. Number second, you can check maybe Outlook application is offline. How to check? Okay, I will tell you. Offline mode is in offline mode. Is in offline mode. Then okay. Then you can check your port number and server information. You can check port number and server information, server information. Okay, how to check? I will tell you. First, I'm writing the step. Number 4. Okay. If there is receiving problem only, right? Means you are able to send a mail, but you are not able to receive a mail. So if you are not able to receive a mail, okay, if there is a receiving issue, so okay, your mailbox is full, right? It is possible that mailbox or inbox is full, right? Because if your inbox or mailbox is full, so you can send a mail, but you can't receive a new mail, you know.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if there is a mailbox or inbox is full, so what is the solution? Solution is you can delete. Okay. You can delete some older message. Okay, writing in a sort of MSG message. Okay. Otherwise, you can create a new PHP. You know how to create a PHP, right? You can create a new PHP. Otherwise, you can archive the mail. You can archive the mail. How to do? I will show you. Correct. So this is a some solution if there is a something issues in Outlook in a client side. Okay, if there is a problem in a server side, so it's a different thing. Okay, if in Outlook application, in Outlook client side, okay, if there is a problem, so these are all things you can check and you can try to troubleshoot. Okay, so okay, first of all, check your okay internet connectivity. All of you know how to check okay internet connectivity, right? If it is
Yes.
connected, you can ping to Google. Correct. You can ping to google.com. Sorry, I written wrong. Okay, right. Okay, I'm getting a reply now. From which IP? From this IP. Okay, you can try to ping this IP as well as okay. आप इस IP को भी ping करो for more okay kinetic purpose. So this okay, this is a Google IP for now, right? Okay, if there is no any internet issue, so it may possible that the Outlook application that you are using, that on okay Outlook application is in offline mode. Outlook application is offline हो गया हो. Correct. So what is the meaning? Let's try to understand. Okay. I'm going on Outlook. Okay, I'm going to open one account. For example, manual account I'm going to open. Correct. So guys, all of you are able to see. Okay, sometime okay, it's happening in a send and receive. By mistake, you are saying send receive is happening. I mean, it's an online mode. That's why. Because sometime okay, it's happening that in a off okay, in a send and receive, you're seeing the offline option work offline.
Yes, sir.
Sometime it's going to clicked by mistake by a user. For example, Akash is a user, right? Akash are not too much aware about Outlook. Akash is just using a mail. By default, Akash has clicked this option. Akash ने ऐसा click कर दिया. So you're saying, I'm getting a clear message. What is the message? Working offline. Correct. Means I got disconnected from a server. In this condition, I will not be able to send or receive any messages. ना मैं send कर सकता हूँ, ना मैं receive कर सकता हूँ. I will not be able to do anything. So just double click here. The problem will resolve. Simple. So you can check whether your Outlook is offline mode. If it's offline mode, if it's clicked offline, so in a downside, it will return offline, working offline. If it's offline means you got disconnected from a server. If server se disconnect hoga, you can check. Working offline, disconnect from the server, work offline if you don't want to receive new mail. So sometimes okay, users are going to click on this option by mistake, by you can say. So okay, it will not work. Okay. Then check your port number and server information. How to check port number and server information? So if you want to check port number and server information, just okay, go to file option, go to account setting, go to account settings. You are able to see. Okay, this is my okay account. I want to check. Maybe the port number got changed by mistake due to hanging issue. Maybe some server information got changed. Server information भी change हो गया हो, port number change हो गया हो, by mistake it's happening. So you want to just verify that there is a correct port number in this account, there is a correct server information in this account. So in the account you can just double click. Right, see, I've given this thing now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my server information. Is it correct? Okay, I'm going to check. Outgoing server is checked in. Advanced, it's correct setting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means port number and server information is correct. Okay, if there is a receiving issue, for example, guys, just assume this is a 55 message, right? Okay, this is a 55 message. Just assume okay, it's not a 55 message, it's a 5555. Okay, and my mailbox got full. मेरा mailbox क्या है? Okay, my inbox capacity got full. मेरा inbox का capacity full हो चुका है. Guys, in this condition, I will not be able to receive a new mail, ना? I will be able to send. but the reason is my mailbox is full. So if any sender will send a mail to me, it will, okay, I will not be able to receive. Correct. So the best solution is we can archive the mail. Okay, create a new PHP, download some older message. Okay, that all of you know. But the best solution is you can archive the mail. Archive means the particular messages will be moved to a archive folder, and that one archive folder will take your C drive space. Okay, what is the meaning? Let's see. Okay, in a home, just click on file. Just click on mailbox screen. Okay, how to archive? Mailbox screen up. Just click on archive. See, move old item to archive folder in a folder list. Click here. What you want to archive? आप क्या archive करना चाहते हो? Inbox. Till when? कब तक का archive करना आपको? I want till today. Till today, all the message that I received till 8 March, 8 April. How many messages I received? Okay, will move from my inbox folder to other folder. Okay, and that one other folder will take my C drive space. So in this way, my mailbox will free. Correct?
Yes, sir.
My
Yes,
inbox
sir.
will be free. Okay, and all the message will not delete. वो message delete भी नहीं होगा. So click on OK. And now you are okay. Now you are seeing archiving. Okay, process is happening. Will take a few minutes. See, archive name folder got created, and all the message is in archive folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Means whenever
Yes,
I
sir.
want, I am able to access. जब मैं चाहूँ मैं इसे access भी कर पा रहा हूँ. Correct? Okay, and my inbox is also free. So now I will be able to access on new mail. मैं कोई भी नया message मैं मतलब मुझे मिल जाएगा. Right? So we can archive the mail like this. Okay, which is the
Sir,
best
can you
solution.
show? Sir, can you once show offline mode?
You are saying send and receive. There is a work offline option.
Okay.
So by mistake, it's going to click here now on a work offline. So if clicked on a work offline, so you are saying working offline option is clicked. Means see here, I'm getting a clear message working offline.
Yes, sir.
Right? Got it? How I did actually.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
this is the about Outlook that you can, because see, if there is an issue in the particular client machine only, मैं client हूँ बस मेरे ही Outlook में issue हो रहा है. So these all things you can check. See, working offline, so you are seeing cut option here. यहाँ देख लो आप, it's a cut option. Correct. So I will just click here because I face this issue. Okay, what is happening? Users was by default clicking on the work offline option and raising a ticket. Sir, I'm not getting a new mail. I'm not sending a new mail. Yeah, you have done a mistake by your own side. Right. So as an engineer, you should aware about these all things. That what maybe happens and what not. Okay, and archive is the best solution if message is say someone will complain like I'm able to send a mail, but I'm not able to receive a mail. Means 110%, it may be a port problem or inbox is full. Okay, there will only two problem, right? Because if people are able to send a mail means internet is working.
Yes, sir.
Outlook application is not in offline mode. That's why able to send. So in this condition, you can just check a port number and server information. If it's correct, so archive the mail. मेरे को archive कर दो. That problem will resolve.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
Can we change the destination of the archive?
Yes, we can change. By default, checking a C drive, no?
Yes, sir. C drive.
See. Okay. When, okay, for example, now I'm going to archive the archive mail. मैं archive को भी archive कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Just showing you. This is not a valid way. Basically, we are archiving. Let's see. I'm going to archive only send item. Okay. Send item. So archive file is going to save in a PHP file by default, right?
Yes.
PHP. I want to save the archive message in a desktop. We'll click on desktop. archive 3 name, click OK, click on OK. So now send message will archive only, right? Okay, there's a one another folder archive name present. Okay, here the sent item come only, right? So okay, and you can check here archive 3, right? Okay, if you will open this archive 3, okay, it will not open because Outlook file will only open with the Outlook application. Correct?
Yes.
This is the meaning. Yes, so I hope it's clear mail troubleshooting, which is a very easy, okay, it's not a very tough thing, but you need to remember the steps, what you can do as an admin in a company. So any doubts, anyone, any question?
हेलो सर
Yes.
सर क्या हम इसको फिल्टर कर सकते हैं मेल्स को?
Filter means what? What do you want?
कैन आई शेयर आवर स्क्रीन?
Just give me a second, okay? Just wait. Just like you are saying something.
यस सर.
Yeah, tell me, what is the issue?
जैसे सर कुछ वेबसाइट्स के हमें मेल लेना नहीं है, हमारे इनबॉक्स में हमें नहीं चाहिए वो मेल, तो हम क्या उनको फोर्स स्टॉप कर सकते हैं आउटलुक के थ्रू, क्योंकि जीमेल से तो हो नहीं रहा.
We can do, but in a through Office 65 Outlook, not in a local Outlook. What is the Outlook we are using right now? It's a local Outlook, right?
यस सर.
Through Office package. But if okay, from today we are going to run a new topic, which is Office 65, right? I will tell you. in which we can do all these settings. Which mail you want to receive, which mail you don't. Correct. So it's happening, but through a cloud service, which is Office 365. Correct. That because that's why firstly I given a class to Outlook, because Office 65 is the advanced. Office 65 will be the advanced, then Outlook, and what we used here, we will use the advanced things in our Office 65. Means as an admin, you can control your users' mail, everything, spam messages. Users will not get any spam messages. If in your user anyone is sending a spam messages, so it will not send. Okay, it will not come in a user mailbox. User cannot send a mail more than 5 MB at a time. User cannot receive a mail, any one big messages mail. So these kind of permissions we can set, but through Office 65 cloud that from today we are going to run.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I see. Now we have a topic, Microsoft Office 365. What is the topic now? Microsoft Office 365. Guys, here till now we use the Outlook and all the application, Excel, Word, PowerPoint through Office package, right?
Yes, sir.
If Office package is installed, Office software is downloaded and installed, then as an admin you are able to use. So I'm asking a question to you. Is it possible that without Office package can we access Outlook? Without Office package can we access Excel?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Without Office package can we access anything other? Means PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, Word.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
After installation, sir. we
Means
can-
once the Office package has been installed, then you are getting these all applications, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
But guys, this is a traditional way. ये बहुत पुराना तरीका, right? From last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, even the people are using same thing. Office 2007, Outlook 2007, Office 2007, Excel 2007. This is happening now. Means we are using our Office application through a software. The software should be installed in a PC. But guys, Office 365 is solving this problem. Office 365 is saying to us, we don't require a Office package is installed in a PC. हमें Office package की जरूरत नहीं है PC के अंदर. We can use Excel, Word, PowerPoint, everything online, and all our data will save in a OneDrive, and I can manage our own data on a OneDrive. I don't need to use Office package because Office software, Office package may be corrupt, right? Office package, Office software may be corrupt. All of you know very well,
Yes, sir.
right? But if any service is working on online, if any service going on online, is online service will corrupt?
No.
No.
No, sir.
What is the requirement? Only internet.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now time tell me why company are preferring cloud? Company cloud क्यों use करना चाह रही है? Because everything is on internet. Nothing is in a machine. From machine, we as a user we are accessing, we are using through a username and password. That's why company preferring cloud, no? No, it's safe.
Yes.
So the same thing, guys, we can access all our Office document or our Excel, Word, PowerPoint is all things in a internet only with the help of Office 365. That's why now time mostly companies switched their infrastructure from on-premise infra to cloud infra. On-premise infra means particular server machine, particular Windows machine. They are switching into a cloud. Users are using VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure, which is a easy, secure, and we don't require anything physically. हमें कुछ physically जरूरत नहीं है. So let's try to understand what is Microsoft Office 365. Okay, I'm going to write it on all the definition and all. Then we'll show you as an admin what you will do and how would you do. Correct. So questions we have right now. Okay. it will clear the, okay, I'm writing here. The question is, what is Office 365? What is Office 365 or what is Microsoft Office 365? The things are same. Okay, just give me a second. I'm getting a call. Okay, so see, actually, you know very well, Microsoft Office 365 is actually a cloud service. Okay, and for your kind information, cloud service having a model. I'm giving you something a small introduction. Any cloud services like a Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, Google GCP, Oracle Cloud World, IBM Bluemix, any cloud which is company is using and going on a market. So every cloud having a model deployment. Okay, delivery model. Okay, if any company is providing a cloud service now, for example, Microsoft is providing a cloud service, so their delivery model, right? So number one, we have a AaaS that we are calling infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Then we have a PaaS that we are calling platform as a service. Then we have a SaaS that we are calling software as a service. That we are calling software as a service. So actually, Microsoft 365 and Office 365 is a Microsoft, okay, 65 and Office 65 is a SaaS service, software as a service, because Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS is a IaaS and PaaS service. But Office 65 is also a cloud, but it's a software as a service. So let's see. Microsoft Office 365 is a software as a service, which we are calling SaaS solution. What is Microsoft Office 65? Office 65 is basically a software as a service solution. Correct. Is a software as a service solution. Correct. Okay, that includes Microsoft Office and other services such as the email and collaboration from Microsoft Cloud Server. Right. Means, okay. Now see the next point. This is the first point. Okay. Now another point about Microsoft Office 65. It is a online service for accessing Office application Guys, okay, what I written? Just okay, all of you can read. Microsoft Office 365 is a software service solution that includes Microsoft Office and other services such as email and collaboration from Microsoft Cloud Server. It is an online service for accessing Office application and some other services like Exchange and SharePoint. Instead of using traditional way for accessing Office application like Excel or PowerPoint, Outlook, we can access all these while staying online. Means we don't need to require Office package should be installed. It's not required. Correct. So now, next one is what is the benefit? Because the theory should be clear, right? Then we'll show the practicals about all. Okay, how to create an account and all. Okay. Benefits of using Office system. Okay, well, what is the benefit? So, number one benefit you have explore and integrate. Number two benefit we have explore. Okay, we can explore and we can integrate, and it's a no, yes, we can collaborate from anywhere, anytime. This is also a benefit. We can collaborate anywhere, anytime. Okay, I will explain the meaning. Don't worry. First, make a notes. Okay, and then step and running always will be also. Okay. Let's see. So what is the benefit of using Office 365? We can explore and integrate. Means inside Office 365, we can integrate any cloud service, like okay, like any company is using Azure, Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure cloud we can integrate with Office 365 so that we can manage their users through Office 365 as well as we can explore. Means we can okay, we will get a multiple options inside Office 365 for managing mails and all. We can collaborate anywhere and time. Guys, what is the meaning? Just assume I have something Excel, okay, Excel file in my Office package, okay, in an Excel application in a PC. So guys, if I want to use this Excel file, what I required? I required same laptop, same PC, and same file, right? Okay, if the laptop is in Delhi, okay, and I forgot to, okay, I'm traveling somewhere, okay, I'm traveling somewhere, but okay, unfortunately, okay, and slip from the mind, okay, the laptop is in my home, okay, but I'm traveling, but that document I want to access, I can't access now.
Yes, sir.
Because the particular Excel document will save in a particular PC, in a local hard disk, right? It's not saved in any cloud service, no? Anything online service?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
by
sir.
using Office 365, what we can do, we can collaborate from anywhere, anytime. Okay, it's, for example, I don't have my laptop, but I want to use my document. Okay, if my document is present inside Office 365, inside Excel, but the Excel is working inside Office 365. So if I have a laptop of Ajinkya, okay, I have a laptop of Amit, I can log in the portal and I can access my document. Only need of internet, सिर्फ internet की need से. Correct. Because by using Office 365 now we are getting a web enabled facility. हमें सब कुछ web में मिलता है. We will search outlook.com. Okay, what is the mail ID we have? We will write our mail ID and password and we will use the Outlook. And our service will stay online only. Correct. Okay, and all the office document, business document will be available whenever we want. Correct. And it's not important that in which device I have created an ID. I can only access on same device. No, I can access on any other device. And I can access my document anywhere, anytime. मैं कहीं भी अपने document को access कर सकता हूँ. Like Google Drive. If you have uploaded something in a Google Drive, it is required that we need a same laptop. No. if you remember your ID and password, you can access from anywhere. What is the requirement? Only internet and credential, right? Username and password and internet is only required. आप कहीं से भी access कर सकते हो, right? Means Office 365 providing us a everything online facility for our Office document and so on, like Accent server, SharePoint server is a part of Office 365. Then stay up and running always. Guys, I'm asking to all of you, are you sure your data will never lost in a computer?
It can, sir.
It can.
Okay,
Yeah.
right now, unfortunately, it may happen. Correct. Unfortunately, okay. Unfortunately, anything is possible. But just assume in a company, all the users are using a Office document and document are saved in our computer. By default, sorry, unfortunately, you can say something disaster comes in a company, like a fire. Suddenly, आग लग गया कहीं पे. All the PC destroyed. We just assume all the PC got destroyed. Everything vanished. So what about a document? Will also vanish now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But if I will use Office 365, if any disaster will happen in a company, doesn't matter. I will get a loss. Loss hoga mujhe. Now my PC and all the things will destroy. But my data, my document will stay online. Is online present now? So I can purchase a new computer. I can give my username and password. I can access all the document. That's why Office 365 also help us for stay up and running always. Always ये काम करता है. If anything wrong happen, anything disaster comes in a company, there will be nothing lost in our ongoing infrastructure. Infrastructure में कोई loss नहीं होगा. The loss will only a hardware loss, but nothing the data will loss. And also we have a single sign-on facility. It's simple meaning. If one time I have signed in the ID here, so second time in the same laptop, I don't need to give a password. Means it simple means user can store their password in a system tray. What's happening now? As a user, I can store my password. Correct. Okay, guys. Remember when you are writing some username and password, you are getting option save or don't save. Okay. If you click on save, so next time when you will use, you don't need to require give a password. Will automatically fetch a password. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is known as a single sign-on. Means one time you have only sign on. आपने बस एक बार sign in किया, rest all time will automatically sign in. So now tell me, if this all is a facilities present inside Office 365, so what are you thinking? Company will use or not?
Definitely they will, sir.
Definitely. It's a paid service. It's a very costly service. Even I'm saying, ये बहुत costly service है.
Yes, sir. 6199 per month, per year.
Wait, okay. It's a very costly service, but even company preferring because they are not thinking about a budget. Data is more important than a budget, right? For any MNC.
Yes, sir.
If they are spending 10 crores per year for their data protection, company will not get any loss because their users are happy now. Their users, their employees are happy.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Because that everything is online, सब कुछ तो online है. So that's why it's a very costly service, but even company are using. Correct. So guys, if you are admin now in a company, so you are getting an admin portal. आपको admin portal मिलता है. You are getting an admin portal, admin center of Office 365, where you are managing your users and all. So the number one things is here. Okay, if I'm talking about a practical, so number one thing is if you are admin, correct? So you will manage everything, but for a practice purpose, how would you create your own account in Office 365? Right now, create
Yes, sir.
account in Office 365. How do you create your account in Office 365? आप कैसे create करोगे Office 365 के अंदर account for a practice purpose, so that whatever the work I will show you, जो मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको, what you will perform. Okay, what I will show you, what you will perform, everything you can practice, and in a company you can do the same work. वहां पे आप same काम कर देना only. So you will be able to manage Office 365 and their settings. आप उसे मैनेज करने के काबिल हो जाओगे. Right. Well, see, Office 365 is a paid service, as I told you. But for a practice purpose, we are getting a 30 days of free trial. The company is using paid version, but we can use free trial of 30 days. 30 दिनों का हमें free trial मिलता है. We can use any account. We can create an account, and that account I can use as a corporate is using for a 30 days. मैं 30 दिनों तक उसे use कर सकता हूँ. Okay, on my account. All the services I can use for a 30 days. All the services which is present inside a Office 365 I can use for a 30 days free of cost without spending any single money, single amount. Okay, and guys, 30 days is enough for you to run anything. Right. So Office 365, if I'm talking about Office 365, so Office 365 having a license. Okay, because it is Office 365 services are present as a subscription wise. Yes, subscription wise present होता है. License wise, subscription and license, we can say anything. So Office 365 having a some license that generally company are using. E1 license, E3 license or E5 license. Mostly prefer license. E1, E3 and E5. So in a E1 and E3 and E5, E stand for enterprise. E का मतलब होता है enterprise. Means enterprise 1, enterprise 3, and enterprise 5. Okay. The differences between all these three licenses is their facility. इसके facility का differences है. Correct. So you can create an account in any license. आप किसी एक license पे account create कर लो. Means Office 365 E1, Office 365 E3 and E5. Correct. Any license. So I'm going to show you on a E3. Office 365 E3, because mostly using Office 365 license. Mostly using Office 365 license is the E3 license. E5 is a very new. That's why. Okay, E3 license. So that's why our question is here. Create account on in Office 365 E3. Office 365 E3 के अंदर account कैसे बनाओगे आप? Free trial account. Right. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. Okay. For today, we will only run that how to create account in Office 365 E3. Rest all thing how to manage users, permissions, policies we'll discuss on tomorrow. But once all of you have your own account in Office 365 E3, then you will be able to do anything. No, need an account for a practical. Okay, for a practical purpose.
Yes, sir.
Right. So how to create? So just give me a minute. Okay, I will back and then we'll show you how to create account. Okay. So guys, let's start now. Okay, how would you create your own account in Office 365 E3? आप कैसे account बनाओगे? That's important because once you have account in Office 365 E3, then you will be easily able to handle all the services which is going on there. Okay. So first of all, go to the browser. Browser पे जाओ. Okay. I'm going in incognito mode because of I have already a multiple account in Office 65. मेरे पास बहुत सारे account है 65 के अंदर. I have a multiple account in Office 65. Correct. Because I'm also providing a session for a cloud. See, cloud portal. This is a Azure Cloud Portal access. So you can see how much account I'm using. See, this much of account. See. That's why I'm going to create an account in a incognito mode. Right? So okay, I can show you how to create an account. Okay. So I'm going to click on new incognito window. Okay. Then I'm going to click here. Okay. Means you can open your browser. आप अपने browser open करना only. Okay. You don't need to go in incognito mode. I'm going because I have multiple account. So I need to log out every account one by one. It will take a time. That's why. Open your browser and write it down. Office 65 E3 trial. Office 65 E3 trial. Press enter. Once you press enter, go to Office 65, this one. इस पे जाना आप. Not go for one. Okay, first option you are seeing. This
Yes, sir.
is okay. Don't go for this one. It's a paid version. ये paid version that company are using. Okay, we can use Office E3 Microsoft, this one. Click here. Okay. Now you are able to see Office E3. All the things you will get. Okay, you can read the facility. Include Word, Exchange, right? SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Excel, Word, Outlook, all the things that you are using through Office package, you can read it. Now see guys, here you are able to see what is the cost. The company is paying the cost. 1,655 rupees per user per month. Per user per month. Is the cost that company are paying. You can imagine how much. Means in a one user, 1 month, how many cost? 1,655 into 12. Means approx 10 to 15,000 company are spending on a per user, right?
Yes, sir.
15,000 company are spending on a per user. If company having a 10,000 users, crores of bills they are paying for years. They not worry about it. They have a huge budget. Okay, if the company project cost is at 300 crore, 400 crore, I've seen it. The project cost is at 300, 400 crores. That a budget of a particular project that MNC company is taking from their clients. So if company is taking the project for a 300 crores, if they are spending 10 and 20 crores for their mail management, their data management, is any loss for a company? No. They are getting a
No,
full
sir.
security. Getting my word?
Yes, sir.
Well, GST extra as applicable. Okay, so the company is clicking on a buy now. Actually, they are not paying this amount. ये इतना amount pay भी नहीं करती company. What they are doing basically, they have a contract with a Microsoft company. Microsoft company is providing a account on a bulk. Okay, and you know if you will purchase something on a bulk, you will get a less cost. Right?
Yes, sir. Discount we will get.
Right. 50% discount you can say. 50 to 60% discount Microsoft company is giving for a company. Okay, okay, which is known as a B2B business, business to business B2B communication. One company will contact another company. But for a practice purpose, we can click on a free trial. Just see it carefully. Once I will click on a free trial, I will get an option. Okay. Here you can enter your Gmail ID. Here you can enter your Gmail ID. Okay. Click on add next. You are seeing looks like you need to create a new account. ऐसा दिख रहा है कि आपको न्यू अकाउंट बनाना होगा. Continuous evision121@gmail.com. Click on setup account. Now you can give your name here, your surname, your contact number. Okay, in this contact number you will get a OTP. Remember, contact number, the company name. Okay, company name here you can give anything. आप कुछ भी दे दो. For example, I am giving company name eVision IT. Okay, you can give company name anything for a demonstration purpose, for a free trial purpose. You can select the company size. Reason is India. Click next. Means in this contact number, okay, I will get OTP. I will click on send verification code. Okay, and I will get OTP in this contact number. So, okay, I got OTP 825977. 825977. We'll click on verify. See, by default, I am getting this username as an admin. As an admin, मुझे ये username मिल रहा है. Okay, my username, my mail ID, and my username both will be tarunmishra@evisionit674.onmicrosoft.com. What's happening later on? Later on, if the company, okay, if eVision company having their own custom domain, if I have access of that domain, I can add a custom domain. For example, in the place of evision9674.onmicrosoft.com, okay, I have a domain evisiontechnosoft.com. So I will add even, okay, technosoft.com. So my mail ID will be tarunmishra@evisiontechnosoft.com. That's a professional mail ID, right? Professional ID. Later on, we can add a custom domain. हम custom domain भी add कर सकते हैं. That I will show you. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कैसे add करना होता है. Okay. So by default, I'm getting this domain. Okay. I'm going to set my password. Click on next. Okay. That will take a few seconds and my account will create. See, creating account. Please do not refresh the page. Okay, your account is successfully created. Click on sign in. Once you will click on sign in, see, this is my account now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, click on yes. It's taking a time because of I'm using in an incognito mode. If I will use in a normal mode, it's happening very fastly. It's taking time because I'm using an incognito mode. That's why. Signing you in, please do not refresh the page. Now again, it will ask me for a confirmation. Which confirmation? It will ask, give the company address. Company का address दो आप. Because Office 365, no one is using for a personal purpose. Everyone is using for a business purpose, right? Okay, you are saying company name. Okay. I'm giving a company name. Okay, where the company address. Okay, city I'm giving. State I'm giving. Means I will okay, I'm fulfilling these all things. Postcode I am giving. Pin code. We'll click on save. Now organization profile is going to create. Now it will, okay, it will ask me more thing. ये मुझसे और चीजें पूछेगा. What? Because it's a very secure. Now it is asking, give the company registration number and PAN number. Say like every person having a PAN card, no, 18 plus age, and having a PAN ID number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like every registered company who are registered in the front of government and some schemes there, they have a registration number and PAN number. So in a real time, you have to add a company registration number. Okay, that you can ask from the HR and all. But this is a free trial account. So Microsoft will not verify anything for a free trial account. Whatever I want, I can put here. Microsoft will not verify because it's a free trial. So I'm giving ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything, it's my wish. It's a free trial account. 30 days I can use it free of cost. So I don't need to give anything. So click on save. Now it will take a few minutes and now your account will be fully created. अब आपका account fully create हो जाएगा. Right, see, your username is, thank you for sign up on Office E3. This is my username. I'm going to click on get started. Now I will get an option of, I will get a access of a admin panel of Office 365 with this account. इस account को मुझे admin panel मिलेगा. See, thank you for choosing Office 365, right? Let's finish setting things up. Okay, see, now you are getting this one option here. I'm going to click on this option. I'm going to click on admin because I'm the admin. So this is the admin panel. Now see, company name, what I given, Evasion IT, na? See, Evasion IT. This is my account as an admin. This is my account, right? So this is the admin panel of Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is the admin panel of Microsoft 365. So it clear what I did and how I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So all of you can create your account in Office 365 so that I can show you how to manage the users here, how to manage their permissions and policies. Okay. This is my global mail ID. I can log in with this mail ID in a local Outlook. मैं इस mail ID से local Outlook में login कर सकता हूँ. Any doubts, anyone? What I did?
Sir, before going to admin, where did you go?
What?
Before going to the admin center, where did you go?
Just I clicked on this option. There is a dot option in a downside.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ये fully deeply class in Office 365. मतलब detail या फिर overview only.
Basics only I will give you.
Oh. Is there a special Office 365 course भी?
Yes, that's for a cloud admin.
Cloud.
Person who are working in a cloud, no? For that one
Oh.
people, the Office 365 deeply is important. For you, the basics user management, permission management is only important because under Office 365 we have Exchange server, Azure Active Directory. You are seeing in a Sol
Okay.
where you are able to see. Sorry. Option na? Azure Active Directory, compliance, security. Okay, all admin center. See, you will get admin center of SharePoint. See, Yammer,
Okay.
Power Automate. So this is also a package in which you are getting everything. You need to only know the Office config. Okay, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, their permissions and policies. Nothing too much for your level.
This is IT core course. Sir.
Definitely.
Okay.
The person who are in a cloud, they are managing a mail, no? So how they are
Yes.
managing? So the Office 365.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
What if the person who wants to log in is away from the company and wants to log in in his username? Then what he will do?
User company network.
Yes, sir.
There is a facility here, Yammer. Through a Yammer in Office 365. Okay. Yammer will create a virtual network so that users can connect through a VPN to the company network. Okay, so for today, you can only create your in a mail troubleshooting, you can read about a mail and okay, and in Office 365, you can read the theory parts, remember the definitions, benefits and all. And the practical for you can just create an account in Office 365 E3. Rest all thing how to manage, what to manage, policies and all, I will show you on tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. And thank you for the session.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.